Okay, now they're all feeding. Trying to feed anyway, aren't they, girl? They just getting so big. Sophie. What is it, girl? She's a good mama, being a good mama for the first time. Can't wait till they're running around. I know you can't. Look at all her spots on her. Getting up. Oh. Getting up. She's gone. She left you high and dry. She left all of you. Yes, she did. She's starting to walk. Look at Pearl. She's starting to walk. What is it, Pearl? Come here, baby. What's the matter? What's the matter? What? I don't have anything in my fingers. Nope, I don't have anything. Look, their noses are starting to turn black. They got little black spots on them. See? Look at the little black spots. Oops. Little black spots. See, you got little black spots on yours? Yep. See? Turn. And he does. She does too. Yep. You got little black spots. Goodness. You got a few too. Yep. You got a few too. The girl? Yep. You're the one with the least. You got a few though. Yep. Let's see what you got. You got any? You got any spots? Yeah, boy. You got some too. Got spots on their noses. They turning black, ain't they? They're turning black. What? What is it? Here comes Mama again. Here comes Mama. Alright, that's it.